Video this time discussing how to install Visual Studio Code on Linux. Open Terminal like this, or you can use a shortcut. Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Press simultaneously to open the terminal. Then type the command like this. Enter. We wait for the process, the download Visual Studio Code, until it's done. When it appears like this, does that mean Visual Studio Code we have successfully installed? To see results, the installation can click it. Show apps. Then type in here Visual Studio Code. It will appear. Icon like this. Just click. Well, it came up like this. Well, uninstall it. One wish. We want to uninstall Visual Studio Code. We can open the terminal. Then I type if a message like this appears, Visual Studio Code we have uninstalled. To prove it, click this Show Apps. Then type in here Visual Studio. It will no longer appear like the previous one we successfully installed. Other ways to install Visual Studio Code. In a way, download the file. This one, I have downloaded it. I'm just close. Hi, this is it that I have downloaded. I double click. Popping up like this, we click the install button. Click install. Enter password. Password my laptop. Here it has worked, yeah. We tried to check in Show Apps. We type here. Well, this is it. If we click, already popped it. Like this. The same as the first way. Already appeared like this. The difference is the first way. We use terminal. The second way, we download the file, now we uninstall. Because it's been working. Try to uninstall. How to use terminal. It's just that the different orders. We press Enter. Enter password. Press Y. Well, it's been successfully erased. Let's clean the screen. Let's check and show apps. Well, we'll type it. Apparently no longer exists. Yes, it means already. We successfully uninstalled it.